Hi and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. I'm Mike. Today, are you a buyer or are you a maker? There are a lot of nice workshop accessories out there. Rail squares, router jigs, dowel jigs, a long list of very desirable items. They are of course often quite expensive. If you would work as a business, it can be straightforward to justify them on the time it saves. If you're a hobbyist like me, it is not saving much time, but it is costing money. Besides, it feels a little like cheating to buy such stuff, especially if you can make it. Indeed, buying rail squares at £200 plus or MFT tables at over £600, it does not take long before you could have bought the tools needed to make just about any of them. Not that you need special tools for many.
As an example, I have a Bosch PBS 75 belt sander. I find this to be an excellent tool, which I often use inverted on the bench. It tends to move, so needs a holding jig. Bosch makes such a jig, but at £43 is over half the cost of the tool itself. Using a sheet of scrap 3mm aluminium plate, it did not take long to make a jig that is tailored to my bench. It attaches to the tool with 2 screws. A lug and T-bolt fits into the T-track on my bench. A single knob secures it in place. On the other hand, this is the official mitre fence from Bosch. It is fairly complex with cast parts. At £20 am I going to make one of these? At that price, no, I'm not. It is a matter of balance, and everyone will have a different view.
This is just one small example. I love browsing such items online and coming up with ideas to incorporate their features, with enhancements for my own use. You will find these items sprinkled through my videos. They're not part of a how-to project because I'm often repurposing one-off items I have recovered from scrap or just happen to have. I hope, however, it encourages others to make what they cannot justify buying. If you found this of interest, why not subscribe? There's plenty more.